A very good wishes to you. As we know, computer technology are widely used by many fields. So, I am Safi is here under the guidance of Professor Suvarnalata Hirimat with a technology called 3D Doctor, which is basically a software widely used by many medical science to process the images. So, I will cover here what the 3D Doctor is, what are our objective, why we go for the 3D Doctor, which format of the image can be used by the 3D Doctor and its uses, what are the requirements for using it, its advantages and what are its disadvantages. So, 3D Doctor is software developed by Abel Software Corporation for modeling of the 3D images, measurement software for CT scanning, MRI, microscopy and other applications. It extracts the information from the images to create a 3D model and it was which is developed using the object oriented technology and provide the efficient tools to process and analyze the 3D images. So, why we go for it means BREP modeling, that is boundary representational modeling, is the most efficiently tool used for the 3D object, but problem with that is it defines the object with the defect, which means badly defined face with trimming loop will be displayed as a curve, which is difficult to understand of the object image. But our software autocorrect if any flaws encounter, and it defines the correct definition of object without changing its geometry. 3D Doctor has operations to complete or modify the object definition. For example, if there are the holes that are to be deleted, then that holes can be deleted or it can be filled by the 3D Doctor. So now the question arises, which image format it uses. It supports both 2D and the 3D images, which may be in any format. Image format that doesn't support can be used as a raw image and can be processed further. "3D handling". 3D Doctor can handle very large volume image. It has efficient memory management. Image slicing can be done by the 3D Doctor, and if the update of the software occurs, then it is easy to update the software whenever it requires. What are the measurements that are required for processing an image is object volume, object surface area, length on 3D object, 3D point, and cropping and cutting of the object. There are different command and the tools in the software to use based upon the application, such as creating model from the image. That is, for creation of the model from the image requires the different commands, and 3D microscopy imaging requires the different command. These are the uses that are used by can be processed by the 3D Doctor: 3D visualization and measurement of CT or MRI images, surgical simulation and treatment planning, 3D image fusion, shape analysis and longitudinal studies. This is the image that are processed and can be converted into the model, that is the model of the brain tumor. Microscopy imaging by the 3D Doctor, visualization and measurements images. So, what are the steps for creating the 3D surface model from the 3D image? That is, open image by using the commands like new stack to add a file, that is the image file that are stored in somewhere in the source can be can be bring into the 3D doctor, and by using the certain commands such as the calibration command to enter the image resolution and the different commands that can be used to process on the image. The second one is define object boundary and create object boundary for the object. There are two methods for creating the object boundary, that is interactive segmentation and auto segmentation. Interactive segmentation. Once interactive segmentation starts, the image plane display is refreshed to apply the color to the pixel that fall within the threshold range specified by the minimum and the maximum value. Whereas auto segmentation, the auto segmentation command segment the entire image, include the background image. Next one step is 3D surface rendering and the volume rendering. There are two commands that are used for the rendering, that is simple surface rendering and complex surface rendering. Both the command can create the model, but the different algorithm and they are suitable for the different object. Simple surface rendering uses the proprietary algorithm to create the smooth and the simpler surface model, and better suited for the rapid prototyping and volume calculation application. Whereas complex surface rendering uses the triangular algorithm, better for rendering objects with complicated branch and topologies. The step required for the rendering is adjust the scale of the 3D rendering by using the calibration command. Enter the value of XYZ, that is the pixel value, at the dialog box to specify the size of the object, and split or cut of the object for the rendering is by using the 3D rendering split and the cut command. The image can be specified with the new boundaries. Creating 3D surface from the image using the 3D rendering or the surface rendering command, model can be created. This is the pelvic region image of the CT scan that is processed to specify the object boundary using the interactive segmentation. By processing through certain command, the model is created for the pelvic region. The next function of the 3D doctor is 3D image fusion. 3D doctor provides several powerful image fusion functions to combine the image for the analyzing and visualization. There are 4 types of image fusion function, that is color fusion, focus fusion, plane fusion. Color fusion. The color fusion uses each image source as a color component, that is RGB, red, green and blue, that is basic, which is the basic color, and create the full colored image. Something like this. Focus fusion. Focus fusion eliminates the problem of limited depth of field by automatically capturing the in focus region from a range of focal plane and combine them into a single fully focused image. And the fusion often used to combine two images acquired differently but from a single source to enhance display of the tissue. For example, CT scan image and MRI image of the same patient can be combined to show both the bones and the fat clearly in a single image. The next one is plane fusion. You can combine multiple image slices into a single slice image. That is the average of the mode slice. This is the image of knee that is captured through the MRI. Many of the slices of the images are combined as an average and converted into a single image that we call as the plane fusion. So what are the requirements that are required to run a 3D doctor is, it supports the older and the newer version of the Windows and 128 MB of RAM, or it may be a more for the faster processing of the software, or it requires the faster video display board with the built-in OpenGL function. That is, this is based upon the graphics, so graphic function should be built in into the software. What are the advantages that can be taken from the 3D Doctor is the 3D Doctor can create the better 3D model and easy editing of the image. It works with the grayscale as well as the color images. It supports the various modeling functions, handling various image format. It provides the high-end 3D image processing. The software is reliable. And what are the disadvantages means it is very expensive and it is highly difficult to maintain that software. The conclusion of the project is it assists for making the decision of the cases. That is, with the help of this software, we make before making any next decision of any medical case, we can present the 3D model to team to see the first hand anatomy. That is, for a risk, it can avoid the risk of the patient before giving any medicines, etc. These are the references that I have referred. Thank you.